By nature, I am not the most organized person. My wife knows that, and she got me something that's going to help me with my seeds. What I've been doing for the longest time, probably 6, 7 years, is the seeds that I got that year. I put them in a bag. This was my seed bucket. Open it, throw it in there, close the bucket, done. She knows how disorganized this system is and how I'm always looking for seeds. So she got me these really, really cool storage devices for my seeds. Look at that. So these are actually made to be used for photographs. You know, old school photographs when people actually used to print photographs. And now I have a spot for everything I grow. And these work really good for the packs of seeds. This one over here is meant for individual loose seeds. For example, these onion seeds that I collected from some of my onions, along with these pepper seeds, I can put them in their own individual little container. Almost like a little Tic Tac container. And there's multiple different sizes for really, really small seeds where you don't need a huge container. And then for bigger seeds where you do. And it comes with labels for each one. If something like this does interest you guys and you want to get something like this for your seeds, we did put a link in my bio in the Amazon store.